So guys, take a look. Our coconut laddus and coconut burfis all are ready and they are looking really amazing. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival for brothers and sisters, the love for each other which they celebrate. This day is even known as Coconut Day and coconut laddus or burfis are eaten during this day. Every year we buy all these sweets from the shop, but this year we will make it ourselves. Coconut laddus and burfis are really sweet dishes made from coconut and milk, as well as condensed milk is also used. Freshly made sweets are always healthier to eat. So you can use your own ingredients and start making sweets this year. My recipe for coconut laddu is for 15 minutes and coconut burfi is also for 15 minutes. You can prepare these laddus and burfis in just 15 minutes and you're good to go. You don't have to go to the shop to buy it this time. So for that, some milk, packet of desiccated coconut powder, or in Hindi we call it burrada, small bowl, half a bowl of sugar, raisins or sultanas, small jar of condensed milk, or you can even add, if you're adding full cream milk, you don't have to use condensed milk, cardamom powder. Add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now to this I'll add my desiccated coconuts. Reserve some desiccated coconut for later on to roll the coconut laddus over it in the later stage. So we'll just let this roast a little bit. So keep roasting it till a good coconutty flavor starts coming. So in just less than 1 minute, this aroma starts emitting from the coconut. So during festival times, when all these fragrances go around, the aromas of sweets and stuff like that, smells in your house, it feels like festival time and you really start enjoying. From that moment itself you start enjoying. Just add our condensed milk and we'll keep stirring it like this. Along with it we'll add our milk also, little by little. Just keep stirring and keep adding it. Don't add too much all at once. Just keep looking at the consistency and add it. To this we'll add our half a bowl of sugar, and if you have not added condensed milk, you'll have to add an entire bowl of sugar, because condensed milk also has some sweetness. So that's why we added only half a cup of sugar. And this coconut should not turn brown, it should remain white. Please take a note of that. We will look out for a sticky kind of a consistency, and so that it should not be moist. So the aroma is amazing. It's coconut and all the sugar also has melted. So we'll put our stove off and we'll let this cool for a bit so that we can make laddus out of it, but don't cool it completely. It should be a little warm while forming laddus, because once it is completely cooled down, then laddus won't form. But let it cool a little bit till it becomes, we should be able to hold it in our hands. So now we have removed this from the stove and we will just put it into a separate plate so that it starts cooling as soon as possible, and we can start rolling them into balls. Now at this stage we will add 1 sprinkle of cardamom powder. So I have this cardamom powder over here, so I'll just sprinkle a little bit. Actually I am adding very little to this because I don't like the cardamom powder taste that much, but if you like it you can put more as per your taste. So I have added it only because it's a sweet, so we have to add a little spice to it. It tastes better when a little cardamom is sprinkled over it. So we also have some, we had reserved some desiccated coconut, we have kept it aside, remember? So we'll just roll them on the desiccated coconut which we had kept aside, and just take a look. our laddus are looking amazing. So we'll just keep one raisin over it like this and make it into a firm ball. Just take a look. Our coconut laddu is looking awesome. So this is how it should look. So let me make more laddus and keep them. I think it's always a good idea to make things at home and make it in a more fresher and with more better ingredients at home and enjoy it, and you can make it in a huge quantity like as you want. So try this sweet this year for your festivals and just let me know in my comments whether you like it or not. So take a look, our coconut laddus are completely ready. They're looking really amazing and really fluffy and really mouth-watering and delicate. So now I'll show you how to make coconut burfis, and to this we will add 1 and 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now into this I'll add let me add the desiccated coconuts into it. Now quickly we'll start stirring it, and remember we should keep our flame in low, it should not be in a high. So I will add half a bowl of sugar and around 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. Now I also have some saffron along with some milk. So in this, the only thing which is different is we'll add a little saffron because we want this in a light orange color. So that's why we'll mix this saffron in the milk like this, or you can even use kesar color also, or you can keep it yellow, white in color itself, so it doesn't matter. Now if you have whole milk or cream milk, you can add cream milk instead of condensed milk. So it is your choice, and along with condensed milk I'm going to add normal milk around 1 cup. Please keep checking the sweetness because as per your taste you can add as much sugar as you feel like. So we'll keep heating this. Now it's almost around 4 to 5 minutes. So I have kept one aluminium foil over here. You can even use a cling wrap. So I'll put all of this into the aluminium foil and I will form a square shape, and we will add all of this into our foil. Now what we'll do is we'll pat this up like this and form it into a square. Like, take a look, it has become a perfect square very neatly. It should have some density over here so that when we cut them into burfis, it should look really dense. So what we'll do is we'll cover this all up like this now, and we'll keep it in the refrigerator and we'll let it cool down till around 20-25 minutes. We can just let it cool down and then we can cut it into burfi shapes, and it is done. So quick. So for 25 minutes we had kept our nariyal burfi or coconut burfi in the fridge. Now we have removed it, so we'll just remove it off from the plate. So guys, take a look, our coconut laddus and coconut burfis all are ready and they are looking really amazing. So try making these coconut laddus and burfis and let me know if you liked it or not on the comment section. Even prepare it and send me the pics. So go ahead, learn this recipe of making easily coconut laddus in 15 minutes and make it whenever you feel like. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.